Welcome. We're so glad that you can join us today. My name is Nora, and I'm here today representing Bank on Boston, the Center for Working Families, and the City of Boston as part of Boston's Youth Wealth Building Initiative. Today is all about you, your money, your goals, and your future. This workshop will help you to understand how money grows, potentially avoid expensive mistakes, learn how to choose safe, affordable tools, and learn how to start building long-term wealth, even with small amounts. We want every young Bostonian to have a strong financial foundation, and you're taking the first step by being here. This initiative is designed to support young people who are getting started in the labor market to learn more about how they can save their money. Many of you may have received a paycheck for the first time, either this summer or sometime in the past few years. And at the start of our careers, we have a tendency to focus on all of the things that we can buy with our earnings. That's the fun part. But it's also a great time to start planning and saving for your future goals, like buying a car, paying for college or job training, maybe someday buying a house, and eventually planning for retirement. So these are some of the concepts that we will think about today.